My dear students, today I am going to discuss some questions in physics. It is ABC of Physics Part 19. The first question is define 1 coulomb. Answer is 1 coulomb is that charge which when placed in vacuum at a distance of 1 meter from an equal and similar charge would repel it with a force of 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton on the basis of electrostatic force. Second question is what is drift velocity? Answer is it is defined as the average velocity with which free electron gets drifted in a direction opposite to the direction of the applied electric field. Third question is what is magnetic flux? Write its SI unit. Answer is total number of magnetic lines of force passing normally through a given area is called magnetic flux through it. SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. In full spelling, if you are writing, then you have to write it with the small letters WEBER. But if you write in short, then capital W you have to write and a small b, WB. Fourth question is what is tangent law? Answer is when a magnetic needle is under the influence of two uniform magnetic fields B1 and B2 in mutually perpendicular directions, the magnetic needle will align itself along the resultant field. If the resultant of B1 and B2 makes an angle theta with B1, then tan theta is equals to B2 by B1 or B2 is equals to B1 tan theta. Here you find in the horizontal plane B1 is there and in the perpendicular vertical it is B2. B2 and B1 both are mutually perpendicular to each other and this is the compass needle and the resultant field is making theta with this. That means theta angle it is making. So this B1 and B2 are both perpendicular, mutual perpendicular to each other and this is the magnetic needle and it is making this resultant, this is the resultant field, this is making theta angle with this. Okay. Now fifth question is what is the frequency of a second pendulum in an elevator moving up with an acceleration of g by 2? So the solution is for second pendulum frequency equals to f equals to 1 by 2 second, half second, because time period is 2 seconds. That's why frequency is half second. When elevator is moving upwards with acceleration a, the effective acceleration due to gravity is g1, and that is equals to g plus a, and that is equals to g plus g by 2, and g plus g by 2, that is equals to 3g by 2. As we know, frequency f is equals to 1 by 2 pi square root under g by l. So f square is directly proportional to g. That means f square is directly proportional to acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, f1 square by f square is equals to g1 by g, and that is equals to g1 we have calculated, which is effective acceleration. So g1 is 3g by 2 by g will be cancelled, then 3 by 2 is left, and this implies f1 by f equals to square root under 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 1.5. So square root of 1.5 is equals to 1.225. Square root of 1.5 is 1.225. And therefore f1 is equals to 1.225 into f. Yes. And this f1 is effective frequency that we have to find out. So 1.225 into, and this f is 1 by 2. So that is equals to half of 1.225 is 0.612 per second. This is the frequency of a second pendulum when an elevator moving up with an acceleration of g by 2. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.